Yeah, you already saw the title. We're gonna be trolling. It's an AK-47. It took me years to create this after I just stole this from some hand.
Wow,
For
making fun of people with
and I just saved
cancer?
it.
Wow.
I mean, it cost me 1 research point because it made me. I didn't know.
Yeah, but he actually.
I'm sorry, man. This is just for a video. It's just a video. It's called trolling AK-47.
Maybe we'll meet at a bar. What kind of funky?
I'm sorry. How did that take 3 shots? That's.
So if anyone knows.
Wait, doesn't that kick even work though?
Does this work?
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, it does.
Oh shoot.
Maybe. Or like,
Ow.
maybe we'll meet at a bar. What kind of funky?
Yo, can you stop hitting me? Or shooting me?
Katie, I got a weapon.
Oh, thank God. How am I still alive? Oh. That's a tragic way to die. He survived multiple nukes, but he couldn't survive 2 shots. How did that hit me? I was up in the air.
Yo, you have the
Red Watch. Sorry, man. Yours was Red Watch.
Alright, I'm just opening a restaurant.
You're opening a restaurant? What's it gonna call? Can you call it Le Pepe? I'm going twice. Damn it, my aim is bonus.
Top 10 gayest things of all time.
Yeah, imagine using safe
Are you
zone.
homophobic? Yes, I am homophobic.
Now I'm trying to protect your item.
Yeah, because you're an annoying.
Annoying person just because I'm like, can you destroy me and you like tried to attack me with 4 guys? Wow. I'm so annoying because I self-defended myself. Oh no. Someone did self-defense? Someone killed another person? Why would he do
Imagine trying to steal my item. That's embarrassing. Embarrassing? Oh, get away from me! Get away from me! Yeah. Yeah, stay right.
I'm sitting down. You know what? Fine, I'll stand up.
Yeah, stay
Fine,
down.
I'll stand up, you little bitch!
We know we're petty, but like,
Embarrassing! Oh my god, the voice
that's a
crack
very
just hit me.
simple, like,
I'm up in the air, bro.
where all are y'all chuds, bro?
Beans? Okay.
Never mind, got the answer to my question.
Never mind, got the answer.
Never mind. Oh,
I mean, shut it!
It was the
God, even more.
Oh my bad, bro. Oh, what? Why is my
There.
yo? Why is there a like an earthquake in my animal? Yo, wait. Did you saw that? Like my screen was shaking like an earthquake.
Bigger, like perma big or something. You stomach.
Like is my VR? Is this my VR from the Philippines?
Alright,
I get it? Like the Philippines?
Alright!
There's 2.
What?
What? We're using a group invention. I can't use a group invention. In a code, when I see a guy, it's 1 shot. You can't use that.
I can't use a goop
Yeah, that's
invention
1
in a
shot.
code where a guy has a goop.
Oh, wow, what? Oh.
That's where I get digged.
No, don't
I
shoot
get
me,
digged at
don't
having a
shoot
bunch
me,
of swords, but not the guy with a 1-tap gun.
Yeah, that's...
You dig the guy with a 1-tap gun, but not
Yeah, 'cause
the
you're
guy
the
with
most
3.
annoying out of the whole people.
Ding the guy with 3.
My...
There's the logic
No,
lie.
not smack people
Where's the
around,
justice
code.
system in this? It's gone.
Yeah, this stupid losers took my... Oh my...
Thank God.
I hate RPG spammers.
And more to
Not you,
come.
Roy.
And I'm not listening to like some shit.
Yo, that goop invention is so annoying.
Then gotta say that you have guns.
Bro, you have guns. Just shoot me from far away with guns.
Yo,
Like, guns
oh my
people
god.
do.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my get back.
No, come.
Right.
Alright,
Yeah,
dude.
that's my get back. Oh my god, I never. Yo,
You're gonna get mad because
that's so funny, man.
you asked me to show, bro.
Just save me.
Don't bump them on
Fucking loser.
physical.
Bro really thought he could have put me in the stash.
I hope you notice we can reset our Wi-Fi. Like, it's not that hard.
Yo, I literally said I always come back. Yo, this loser thought he could put me in stash.
Years worth of monsters, or just every monster in the game, 50 times.
Imagine trying to put me in stash and failed miserably.
Do you have hollow purple and domain extension?
I'm actually hollow purple.
Do you have hollow purple and domain extension?
I'm a JJK nerd. Hey, you stupid beaner.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not even hurting you, bro. Chill.
Oh my god.
That's why you died.
That's why you died. Oh my god. Hey, it doesn't have ammo, you know.
What up, homie?
Yeah, you're freaking chill if you want me.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, can I get like my bad?
Yeah, you can have that.
Now you're good. I'm not spawning every single mob here. I'm not doing that.
All the girls killed. Yeah.
Bro, he's a modder, bro. You're not getting the premium package just for little O'Neal.
Holy full stumble.
I don't want everybody to suffer.
Loki need to be put down after that,
Beaklets! What is happening?
Oh my god.
Normal speed because fast right next to you and shoot you mid-air so you can.
How are you far like that?
Oh, come here, little girl.
Oh, that can't be healthy. How do you fly after you fart? It's a shark, bro.
Yo,
Great job, bro. Like, that shit nothing. I can just go get my items again.
Water balloon, but it one cup.
you're just wasting your ammo. Oh my god, who's hitting me with his stupid sword? Yo, why me?
I'm Adam.
Like, why me?
Maybe
Like, what did I
he
do?
isn't a dork.
Maybe because he isn't a dork.
Maybe because he is a dork.
No, you're the dork. There's another body,
There's a naughty body in the. There's a naughty body in the McDonald's.
Body. The guy under the map's back. The guy under the map's back. Maker, dude.
You sent me and kicked you from the server? I'm trying to chill.
Oh, that was nice.
Freaking skeleton is a dork, bro. The blue skeleton is actually the dorkiest dork today, bro.
Hey, bro.
Shut the fuck up, stupid
Animal
nigger.
Company? Are you?
I didn't want to die.
The god of Animal Company in War 5, bro. He's invincible.
Yeah, this kind of remind me. SpongeBob needs a job.
Building
Yo, the
like
person who
shots
says the
out of
N-word,
you.
stop whispering. We know your parents. We know your parents are in the other room, bro.
Albums. Oh,
Little racist dork.
oh. Yo. You kind of forgot your weapons.
Yo, kill the guy in the damn bike. Like slightly faster.
Yo, why does this like do negative damage? Like, come on. Oh, Like, this gun does negative damage. I mean, shut
Or you'll see it. No, I mean,
get away from me.
see a big
Elise. Oh, no.
worship him.
Yo, move, please, move. Stop it, you're scaring me. Alright, hey, calm down.
Wait, what did you say?
I said I'm definitely not gonna go underground.
Wait, excuse me, please. I wanna ask you.
That's my job.
Yo, I just
Go underground.
I'm in a shred. Peaceful shredder. I do not want any horn. You put a oh my god, I just found the second worst dork.
I'm coming
No,
down
I'm a
here.
shred. Somebody just like kill me.
And it's me.
I'm this well peaceful shredder. I'm not gonna take anything.
Smiling wasn't smart.
It
go? Where'd it go?
Is that the animal company god or the other god? Which one was that one? What are we talking about? I'm friendly, I'm
Yo. One in the caveman.
I'm just built the shrine out of him.
One in the Patrick caveman.
Those animal company G's. My person is literally
Shred stuff. I'm not a
I'm not touching animal company. Oh, bro, you're just a dork worshipping an animal company water. Shut the fuck up, pussy. There's 3 doors actually. Why? I'm not doing anything. That's a terrible.
Oh, you're a modder? Oh, my bad.
It's the nerdiest nerd of the year versus nerdiest nerd of the month.
You!
Yoo-hoo! Hot sauce, please!
Yo, everyone in the
No one's gonna
Here's
believe
the
you.
third quarter to
No
the
one's
left
gonna believe
of
you
the
that I'm
back
underground.
of
Help, 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 come on.
Get over here!
Leave me alone.
Get over here!
Can you put some tidies? You
I still got your name, but all you need to do is the shit.
I'm coming down.
Stop moving. Thank you.
You dumbass.
Yes, wait.
You just wasted 2 of my ammo.
Thank you, bro. Oh my goodness.
What do you mean? It's a virtual game. You're not getting stuck anywhere. Who's the...
I mean, I can't aim. Like, I literally don't know who you are.
No, you just fall down to the abyss.
Genuinely thought about some.
Oh.
Okay, fuck ass. Like, bro.
Oh, I'm gonna fall down into the abyss.
Hey, pink modder, there's a yellow modder underground.
Yeah, no, it's not him. It's me.
Yo, nerdiest nerds of the year. Nerdiest nerds.
That AK is not doing nothing. It's not doing any damage. Time to use the good old.
You think something shit? Bro, anti-mod is j- Mod is actually pussy.
What the?
I don't like modders. They're stinky.
Well, you can't aim for shit. First time.
Watch your farts ran out. Yo, can you stop following me? Like, god damn.
Yo, it's the 2 nerdiest nerds.
Yo, you're supposed to not.
Yo, can you
They're creating
spawn
blue
like a
grenade.
to kill everybody?
Stop!
Hey!
Hey, come back here! Stop running away! Yo, can this caveman stop targeting me? Weeb. Come on.
Well, I'm not really targeting you.
What the hell? Torrent Blues is a company now.
Oh my god.
He's in the damn
I think it's people using overpowered melee weapons.
You have to use the hood.
Or
Damn it,
using
bro.
guns.
Oh, hello, Blue. I didn't do anything.
Or a
Why are you
mountain.
killing me?
Or a mountain.
How do I die to hold this?
Yo, I'll stop targeting you. I'm honestly surprised.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've ever seen that happen.
Trying to see
Yo.
items and failing, bro.
Hold
This
on.
guy keeps killing me. Yo, can you block him?
Yo, go.
Hey, protect me. Oh, hello, man.
Oh.
I didn't even do anything.
Or a lobby.
I just want to play in this. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna get my get back.
You guys, give me a lobby.
I think I just about that.
Walk in your next family. Go to for a lobby. I do.
Watch, Gray. You're gonna feel the pain. You know?
Guess what? I can't turn it off.
Hey, guess what? Chicken put.
Do more fun. Let's do war a lobby. Let's do war.
Hey, Blue, bring him to me.
Come after me. Damn, and should we do airplane only war? Airplane. Do that spawn. Place to land on. Guys, me bombo
Hey,
there.
me bombo clock 6-7.
No, let's have a plane. Oh, we're like mountains. It's like
Oh my god. Remove that safe zone.
You literally just said what mountains.
Hey, can you remove that safe zone, please? Thank you.
You want me to remove that?
Mountains is just nothing. What?
No, I don't
Need to listen to you. War mountains. Trying to play an area with nothing in it,
Mountains.
which is pretty much
Yeah, let's have a war in office.
what is honestly drive like. Wait, thank you for the crossbow. It's sick. We're playing war over here.
Oh shit, my bad.
The
Can you give me
crossbow's valuable. Like when you
help
unlock
me?
him, do you get to buy them permanently?
Thank you. I have an idea.
Yeah.
Hello, mate. I didn't. I am lagging so
You all
hard.
know what that lag spike was. Maintain the lag.
Oh my god, you're
Lag
killing me.
minute year. So 2026.
I'm gonna find a person that's killing underground. So if you see me underground, I'm gonna kill him. Or maybe
Yo, can we do
I
war
am.
in lobby? Cause like,
do war in Biolab.
we're at lobby.
Everybody, there's a huge war at Biolab. It's only huge, by the way.
No, you don't.
No, there isn't.
Like, it's only
Your
huge,
creepy
bro.
scientist moves are gonna be stopped
Yo,
today
there's a huge
by
war
Mr.
at
Poopy
Biolab.
Man.
Biolab is you
No.
alone, bro.
Give me.
Well, if you want, you could just
Me alone?
ask
No,
me.
there's like 10 people here.
If you took the
No, that's all you.
Nobody else is there, gang.
You're actually just gay.
Yeah, you're gay. Oh, get hot.
Bro, just accept that you're lonely, bro. Accept it.
Bingo.
Who's hitting me?
I am so lonely.
Who's hitting me?
I'm gonna do a horrible giveaway.
Yo, there's an airplane in lobby, bro. He's shooting over there. He's so fast, bro. What?
Uh,
Yo, bro, where you getting some?
Where's my
Why are
revolver?
you getting one of my bombs?
Oh my god. Oh my, call the geek of the week.
I have more ammo on board than you, but
Oh, cars!
What
Cars!
the hell? Who's bringing all
whoever
these?
stole my candy.
Come on, drive! Joyce, drive! How do I drive this? How do I drive this? It hasn't, it's been ages, I haven't drive this. Owies! I did not know this is a Grand Theft Auto. Oh, they really exploded it. Did it? Hey, can someone show me the way? Can someone show me the way to Biolab?
And can the modder Biolab?
Why are we still talking?
Just everyone go to back to war. And guys, everyone needs fist. We're all gonna fist people. We're all gonna be fist.
only.
No, you're not.
No, that's boring. Boring. So outdated.
Bro, you don't disrespect my fist.
Oh my god.
I'm telling him. No
Dumbass?
one's gonna listen to him.
Oh, you're gonna call me a dumbass? No, I'm gonna get my get back. I'm gonna get my get back.
And look, the frog
I
is
so
the
why
one saying
the
that no
fuck
one's gonna
is
do
a
that.
motor?
I mean, that people are gonna actually do that.
Come here.
Hey, can you spell hellstorms instead?
No, actually, he deserves, he deserves to die from underground.
Hellstorms,
Oh my god.
He's a name.
I'm going tonight.
That's fine.
I can't fart. I can't. Oh my god, modders.
I said I use my bomb on those.
What? Modder, can you stop?
Sexy Modder, you're a dork.
Yeah, Modder, you're a fucking geek.
Century.
A glitch.
The Modder's a fucking pussy.
Screw it.
Even a glitch abusers